And hello again. Today we'll be adding and subtracting with unlike denominators. So unlike means our denominators will be different. So there are a few steps we have to do. First things first, we want to get our denominators to be the same as if we were comparing or ordering them. So we're going to find the least common multiple here between 3 and 4, that's going to be 12. So to get 4 to get to 12, we have to multiply it by 3. If we do that to the denominator, we need to do it to the numerator to keep the number the same. Now to get 3 to 12, we have to multiply it by 4. Alright, so now I get 4 over 1, so 4 over 12, plus 3 over 12. We then keep this together. 4 plus 3 over 12 equals 7 twelfths. And since 7 is a prime number, and 7 cannot go into 12, that's our final answer. Now, if you want to skip this step and go directly from here to here, that's fine, because I'll see your work and we'll understand what you were doing. Now, the next one, I kind of gave you a little bit of a help here by putting the negative number up here. 14 and 7. The common denominator is 14. If you don't have to change one of the fractions, don't change it. 7 multiplied by 2 gets me 14. And then we multiply the numerator by 2 to keep it the same value. This winds up getting us 6 fourteenths. So then we do negative 3 fourteenths plus 6 fourteenths. We keep our denominator at 14. We do negative 3 plus 6. Again, addition rules. The negative is a smaller value, the 6 the greater value, so we keep it as positive. We then do 6 minus 3, which is 3, over 14. And since 3 does not go in the 14, they don't share any common factors. That is our final answer for that one, and it's already reduced. Next up, we have 15 and 5. Now, thankfully, 5 can go in the 15. So I multiply the numerator and denominator both by 3 to get us negative 9 fifteenths minus negative 3 fifteenths. Put the parentheses around this to keep that separate, which then gives us negative 9 minus a negative 3 over 15. Keep, add opposite, gets us negative 9 plus 3 over 15. We'll bring this down this way. Negative 9 plus 3, negative wins because it has the higher opposite value. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 because we're going to do this, gets us 6 fifteenths. Now I'm going to look, 6 and 15 can both be divided by 3. So divide numerator and denominator by 3 to get negative 2 fifths. And that's going to be our final and reduced answer. All right, last one. 3 sevenths minus 9 tenths. So negative 3 sevenths minus 9 tenths. We can do this. Common denominator. First off, it's going to be 70. Now, when you're not sure if you can find the common denominator, you can always just multiply both numbers by the other denominator. So technically, I can multiply this by 7 and 7, and this side by 10 and 10, and it will always work. So, by 10 and by 10, by 7 and by 7, which gives us negative 30 seventieths minus 63 seventieths. This then gets us negative 30 minus 63 seventieths. This gets me now negative 30 minus a negative 63. Keep add opposite, which really gets me negative 30 plus a negative 63. It gets me negative 93 seventieths. Even though these don't share a common factor, we can still reduce this down. 70 goes into 93 one time. Don't forget your negative sign. That's got to come down. And then it will have 23 left over. So our answer in this case would be -1 and 23/70. All right, again, folks, just find the common denominator. Then go back to what we did with the same denominator and do the work on the top, leaving the denominators alone. Again, never, ever, ever add or subtract your denominators. Have a great day. See you next time.